Welcome to my Vitamix A2500 review. The A2500 Ascent series from Vitamix packs a punch with its smart features and powerful blending performance. You'll love the convenience of the 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. No more guesswork, just select your desired option and let the blender do its thing. The built-in digital timer is another nifty feature that helps you achieve the perfect texture every time. The variable speed control and pulse feature give you full control over your blending experience. Whether you're whipping up a smooth puree or a chunky salsa, you can easily adjust the settings to get the consistency you want. One of the coolest things about this blender is its built-in wireless connectivity. The motor base can detect the container size you're using and automatically adjust the settings accordingly. This means you can mix things up with different container sizes to suit your needs. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just blend some warm water with a drop of dish soap at high speed and watch as the blender cleans itself in under a minute. No need to take it apart or scrub by hand. Imagine whipping up your favorite smoothie, hot soup, or frozen dessert with just the push of a button. The Vitamix A2500 makes this a reality with its 3 pre-programmed settings. You'll love the convenience of walking away while your blender works its magic. No more guesswork or hovering over the machine. These settings ensure consistent results every time. And if you want to get creative, the variable speed control lets you fine-tune textures to your liking. Plus, a built-in digital timer helps you nail manual recipes. The Vitamix A2500's built-in wireless connectivity is a game changer. The smart base even recognizes which container you're using and adjusts blending times accordingly. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a culinary pro, this feature makes it easy to achieve professional-grade results at home. The A2500 doesn't just stop at container recognition. It's designed to work with a range of self-detect containers, allowing you to customize your blending system as your needs change. This flexibility means you won't have to replace your entire blender if you want to try out new recipes or serving sizes. With this wireless tech, you're not just buying a blender for today. You're investing in a kitchen appliance that's ready for tomorrow's innovations. It's like having a little bit of kitchen magic at your fingertips. Want to nail that perfect smoothie consistency or create velvety soups? The Vitamix A2500's variable speed control puts you in the driver's seat. Adjust the speed on the fly to fine-tune your blends. Craving some chunky salsa? The pulse feature lets you chop ingredients with precision. You'll love how these options let you experiment with textures. From silky purees to chunky dips, you're in control. No more guesswork or disappointing results. Just twist the dial or tap the pulse button to achieve the exact texture you're after. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a culinary pro, these features make it easy to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Ever wonder how long to blend for that perfect consistency? The A2500's built-in digital timer takes the guesswork out of your blending adventures. You can easily track blending time for manual recipes, ensuring you hit that sweet spot every time. No more overblending or undermixing your creations. This nifty feature is especially handy when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Set the timer, walk away, and come back to perfectly blended results. It's a game changer for achieving consistent textures in your smoothies, soups, and sauces. The timer also works seamlessly with the blender's program settings. For smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, you'll get optimal blending times automatically. This smart combo of timer and presets makes the A2500 a user-friendly powerhouse in your kitchen arsenal. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with the pros. 3 pre-programmed settings make whipping up smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts a breeze. Variable speed control lets you fine-tune textures to your liking. Built-in wireless connectivity adjusts settings based on the container size. Digital timer takes the guesswork out of manual blending. Compatible with various self-detect containers for added flexibility. As for the cons, high price point compared to standard blenders, large footprint may take up significant counter space. learning curve to master all features and capabilities. Noise level can be quite high during operation. You'll find mostly glowing feedback for this smart blender in the countless Vitamix A2500 reviews. Many users rave about its incredible blending power, calling it amazing and mind-blowing. The versatility impresses buyers, with one mentioning how easily it purees vegetables into smooth soups using the preset soup function. Several reviewers highlight the machine's durability and long-lasting performance. While most experiences are positive, it's worth noting that this blender is pretty expensive. So if you just want to make the odd smoothie now and again, you can probably get by with something more basic. Cleaning up after blending can be a hassle, but the Vitamix A2500 Ascent series blender makes it a breeze. You'll love how easy it is to keep your A2500 spotless. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, then run it on high for 30-60 seconds. The powerful motor creates a vortex that cleans every nook and cranny. Plus, the stainless steel blades resist dulling and corrosion, so they'll stay sharp and hygienic. For stubborn residue, the included tamper helps dislodge stuck-on bits. Ultimately, with minimal effort, your Vitamix stays ready for the next culinary creation. If you're used to cheap store-bought blenders, then this Vitamix A2500 will feel like a complete kitchen revolution. You'll love how it tackles a variety of tasks with ease, from silky smoothies to hot soups. The smart features and pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of blending, saving you time and effort. While it's pricier than average blenders, the durability and versatility make it a worthwhile investment. The powerful motor and sharp blades can handle tough ingredients, but they also make it a bit noisy. Despite this minor drawback, you'll likely find yourself reaching for this blender daily, exploring new recipes and enjoying restaurant-quality results at home. If you're serious about upping your blending game, the A2500 is a solid choice that won't disappoint.